Evening. So have you guys ever bought a car part or something for the house or something for a project out of sheer frustration? Like spent a lot of money on something that's something stupid and simple? I just did. You know, you get to a point where conventional wisdom is just thrown out the window. Let me get to the point. So, Pop's Custom Cruiser. Thing runs like a champ, but it's got this really annoying transmission leak. Most of my subscribers have probably experienced it at some point. Turbo 350, or whatever transmission of your choice, is leaking from the dipstick tube. Alright, so traditional small block Chevy uses a hard, solid tube. Bolts to the top right corner of the bell housing. LS motor, most of us know, 90% of us know, does not have that hole drilled in the block. What to do? Any dipstick I've used, any solid steel dipstick, regardless of the sealing type, if it's got an O-ring, if it's got the grommet, it's still leaking. It just sits, just pisses. I thought it was the pan gasket because I used the cork gasket. I got that expensive Moroso, that $30. There's another purchase. That real thick gasket with a metal inlay. I've used it in a couple applications. It's nice because it's reusable. It doesn't leak. So anyways, the dipstick's leaking. I bought a dipstick tonight from Summit Racing. Yes, I live near Summit Racing's headquarters in Ohio. And I just got done bike riding, so I'm like, well, it's on the way home. Labor Day weekend's coming up. Dad's been bitching because he wants to drive the car, but it's got this annoying transmission leak. And he's a 65-year-old crabby paranoid Pollock. Alright, Dad, I'll fix it. Let's get out of here. I'm an idiot. $30 dipstick should not cost 161 bucks. What did my dumbass buy? And more importantly, can I do this with one hand? Oh, woe is me. Conventional wisdom thrown out the window. Come on now. This is a low car piece. Anchor tight. This is even packaged better than the other one I bought from them. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Comes with a nice rubber grommet. It's actually a quick disconnect. I bought one of these before, and it is awesome. The regular chrome one's much cheaper. Ah, there it is. This piece goes into the transmission from underneath. You screw it and tighten it, and it pinches the seal, so there's no leak. Yeah, it's got a quick disconnect like an air fitting. I've used it in the green Blazer. What a great piece. Overkill? Oh, you better believe it's overkill. $1,500 wagon with a $160 transmission filler dipstick. But, time wasted, efforts wasted, money wasted. Spend the money. I did. There's other ways, there's other cheaper ways to remedy this problem, but you know what? Screw it. I'm doing it for my dad. I'll let you guys know how it goes in. I should make a video on how it goes in, transmission. Last one I did, this was kind of a pain in the ass. Like I had to put the seal in first, and I had to screw, and there's no flat spots on this thing. The other one had flat spots where I can put a wrench or channel locks. And you carefully got to just screw it into the transmission case. Hopefully you can grab the nut and it'll draw it in. So that's what you call throwing money at the problem. You can make fun of me all you want. We've been there. How many times we try to make a cheap solution for a problem, and guess what? You should have spent the money to begin with. That's what I did this time. Catch up with you guys. Have a good night. Please like and subscribe. We got more videos coming.